Hi everyone! Today, we're making matcha pumpkin spice spark. To make this, we need to start by melting white chocolate slowly. I'm using a double broiler method and a stainless bowl. You can also use a microwave to melt the chocolates faster. The steam coming from the pot will melt the chocolate. Once this melts, turn off the heat and add in chunks of the white chocolates. This is called the tempering method. We will lower the temperature of the chocolate by adding more chunks of it. I found the best explanation of this. I'll put the video on the description below. Once you start to get a thick type of consistency, add in the matcha powder, and we have to mix well to ensure that there will be no clumps. We have to set this aside as we melt other chunks of white chocolates. After repeating the same process, add in 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice powder. Then we have to mix well again to incorporate both ingredients. On a flat surface, place a sheet of parchment paper, pour over the matcha and pumpkin spice chocolates. Flatten it with a spatula. Then, sprinkle with roasted brown rice or genmai. I got this idea when I was drinking the genmaicha tea. Then we have to refrigerate this for at least 2 hours. And here's our matcha pumpkin spice bar. The roasted rice and matcha is a great combination. This combination is definitely a surprise for me. I didn't expect this to be so good. Once we flip it, you can see the pumpkin spice chocolate. The taste will definitely surprise you like it did to me. Thanks for watching!